channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you something super amazing for your hair extensions. So if you want to see what I'm about to be doing, then just keep watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, are you sick and tired of sewing these damn clips on to your clip-in extensions? I know I am, but have no fear because your fairy godmother Adriana is here and I have a little hack. So I bought some bundles. These are them here. They look like this. They are Brazilian kinky curly, and these are from Ali Annabelle Hair from AliExpress. I got 4 bundles, a 24-inch, a 22, a 20, and an 18-inch bundle. For those of you who don't know or are new here, I'm getting married next month, so I wanted to do a natural style, but I wanted it to be like elevated or special, so I thought I would do some clip-ins. Super throwback. I don't think I've worn clip-ins since like high school, so I thought it would be fun to kind of try a different style. These bundles match my curl pattern like almost perfectly, so I'm super excited. I was kind of nervous. Did shampoo and condition these bundles before doing anything with them, as I usually do with my bundles, and they smell really good. They actually didn't even really have a smell out of the package, but I'm just like weird like that, so I always like to wash them anyways. Yeah, so I washed them and I went to my beauty supply store. I wanted to get some clips that you sew in. I'm used to sewing the clips onto my bundles. I've been doing that since I was like 13, so I'm used to it. It's super annoying if you've done it before. So yeah, anyways, I go to the beauty supply store and they keep all of the clips behind like the counter thing, so I had to ask for them. So I just said, hey, can I get some the little clips for extensions? And she goes, yeah, sure. So she goes to the back and comes back with these. I look at them, there's 12 in there. These were $9.99, which is like super expensive. I feel like back in the day I only paid like 25 cents for a clip. I don't know. Anyways, I thought that was kind of expensive, but I was like, whatever, I need them. These come in a pack of 12. Okay, now when you read this, did you notice anything different? At first glance, I thought, cool, these are the same ones that I'm used to getting. No, honey, I went and messed up, and it says snap-on wig clips. So I was super pissed when I got home, of course, because I'm like, how did I not know that? And I don't know about your like hair stores where you're from, but mine, it says clearly on their receipt, no returns, no exchanges. So I'm like, what am I gonna do? So I'm super stubborn. I'm a Leo. So me being hard-headed, I was like, I'm gonna make these work. So I opened them up. Let me just open the package so you guys can see what I'm talking about. The construction of these clips is way different and not what I needed. So hopefully it'll focus. So the usual ones are supposed to have 2 holes like here and here. Sorry. So the usual ones are supposed to have 2 holes at the top, here and here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell. But yes, but as you can see, this one has 2 holes there and then 1 in the middle on this side, which I was like, what? And then on the back, it has 2 thick prongs, if you're able to see. So I was like super confused and I was like, I can't sew these on. So like I said, me being stubborn, I just started to play with them. What I did, I kind of made a mistake, is I lifted both of the prongs like all the way up and I kind of just ruined it. But then I was inspecting it, you know, looking at my bundles. I'm like, how does this work? It must, like, those prongs must hold the weft in place. So what I figured out is how to work these bad boys. So, okay, so what you do is these two prongs, like I said, you slightly like lift them up. I just used my nail to lift them up a little bit, and then you just slide both of your wefts in. I double my wefts, as you can see, like so. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to tell, but anyways, I double mine. You could just do it single weft, and that's probably easier, but I like it to be fuller. So you just slide this on there, and I kind of like push down hard so it keeps them secure. And these things are amazing. I was kind of weary at first, and I thought that's not gonna hold anything, but it actually, like, it's on there good, like it's not going anywhere. So it just works like a regular clip. Like, they look the same as far as like the prongs and everything as the ones that I'm used to, so that's great. I'm so excited that I figured it out, and this saves so much time. If you're used to sewing clips onto extensions, you know the struggle. And it is not fun. It takes hours on hours, and you have to thread the needle, and then you have to put it through. It's just so annoying. So I'm so glad that I accidentally stumbled upon these. They are the brand Magic Gold, and they say snap-on wig clip. You can probably just screenshot when I like zoomed in on them. They are medium, and they're black, like medium size, and they're black, and you get 12 in a package. The only thing with these, like I said, they are on the more expensive side for only getting 12. I'm going to check on Amazon, just because I don't think, I bought 2 packages of these, by the way, so I don't think 24 clips is going to be enough to do 4 bundles. So I might have to get another package or 2, but hopefully I can find them on Amazon for a bit cheaper, because who doesn't love saving money? But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the clip where I showed how to actually like snap them on to the bundles, and I'll be right back. Okay, so these are all of the supplies you're going to need: your snap-on wig clips, your scissors, and your bundles, of course. Okay, so like I mentioned, I already have 1 bundle done. This is obviously just one weft that I have made. So as you can see, don't mind my nails, I need to fill. I'm just like lazy and I haven't done one. Anyways, these are the clips. You can see they're on there pretty good. The only thing is that you can kind of see these clips on the other side, but once you have like your leave out and stuff, you're not going to be able to see them, as they are black. So it looks like this. They're sturdy on there, they're not going anywhere. So let's just get into how you do this. Okay, so this is the bundle. This is a 22-inch bundle, so of course it's just wrapped up. Hopefully you guys are going to be able to see how I do this. So you're just going to want to find the ends, and I always double weft my clip-ins, so you're just going to double them up like so. And what you're going to want to do is measure how long you want this to be. So what I do is just hold it up to my head once my hair is either braided down or like the style that I'm going to be doing. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is just measure from the one that I previously made what length I want. So it's going to be right to here. So this is going to be for one side of my head. So what you can do is cut it right now, but I would suggest just keeping the weft not cut for now, just while we put the clip on. So what you're gonna want to do is, like I said, just measure and then kind of hold your finger where you're gonna snap that clip on. So I'm gonna put my clip right here. These are the clips like I showed you. I got these from my local beauty supply store. They were kind of expensive, so I might try to look on Amazon and see if I can get a cheaper alternative. So what I do with this clip, focus, is it has these two prongs right here, as you can see. So what you're gonna wanna do is just lift it up a bit, not too much, like stick your fingernail underneath that and just kind of lift it. Otherwise it's way too tight and you're not gonna be able to fit the clip on. So this is kind of tricky, but so what you're gonna wanna do is put one weft under the other like so, and just slip it up underneath there. Make sure it goes all the way to the top, and then just get that other one and secure it, and I just push down so it's nice and snug, and then as you can see they're not going anywhere. Then you're just gonna repeat it on the other side. And if it doesn't go in, like I said, just lift it up a bit more. Don't lift it up too much because then it will be loose and it won't hold, which I learned. So let's put that one in. And the other, and you're good to go. Just looks like that. Perfect. Let's go on to the next piece. So now that we have the one clip on, another thing too is do it so the prongs on the clip are facing away from you. That's just the easier way to do it, and make sure that you snap them on in the right direction. Otherwise you'll be not able to wear them. So again, we're just going to open it up a little bit. Open this one up a little bit. And I'm sure if your nails were short, this would be a bit easier, but. And this part where it's already clipped is tougher to do than the other side. So like I said, it's easier if you just don't cut the weft until the end. So. Same thing, and make sure you leave a bit of space at the end just so you have something to grip onto. And I found it's easier sliding one in first and then sliding the second one in. Boom. This is so fast compared to sewing. You guys, this is amazing. And you are done. So now that we have both of our clips on there, we're just gonna go ahead and cut this weft. So always when you're cutting bundles, make sure to do it this way and not this way, if that makes sense, so you're not cutting unnecessary hair off. So you're just gonna wanna cut right beside the end of the clip, and just make sure you're going through the weft and not the hair, like so. And there you have it, your clip-on extensions. So easy, so much easier than sewing them on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of this bundle and I'll be back.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be forced. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you're going through. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. Together, oh yes, I wanna be down.
Now for this part of the bundle where it's like the last piece or where it's folded, I like to just keep it folded. You can cut along this weft here, but I don't mind just keeping it doubled. The only thing I noticed is that it's a bit harder to get the clip on, but we gonna make it work, girl. Okay, so just lift these prongs up a bit more than the other one, so you can see from the side that's where the weft goes into, and just keeps it secure. This one is a bit sloppy, as you can see. If you want, you could just cut that off. It is secure, so I'm just going to leave it just because I don't want to lose some curls, you know. So I'll probably just end up clipping this one so this is in the middle of my head, so you're not going to be able to see that anyways. Oh, I love this method. It's amazing. So you guys, I just got the 22-inch bundle all sewed up and ready to go. I'm just going to set this aside with my 24-inch bundle and then work on my 20 and 18, and I'll be right back. Okay, ladies or men, I'm back. I have all of my bundles finished. I am so happy with this method. Like I said, hopefully you guys learned a little something and can get your hands on some of these clips. They're so amazing. What else? Obviously I have this hair in, so I'm not going to be playing around with those just yet. If you do want to see a styling video or how I install my clip-ins, please just leave me a comment down below and I would love to do that for you. Please also just make sure that you're subscribed and give me a thumbs up. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next one.